I'm Georgie Holbrook. I'm here to tell you an experience I had with Archangel Michael. Some years ago, my parents were living out in the country up in Upper Michigan. My father was placed in a nursing home and my mother had some health issues, so I flew in to be with her. And when I arrived, she told me about this young man that continued to call her 3-4 times a day, trying to be kind to her, but also showing up and doing small repair work, but botching up the repair work deliberately almost so that he would get more repair work. And she would pay him, but she had got it. She was like, this isn't working. I don't want him calling me. I don't need him messing up repair work. So I said, don't worry, Mother. We're going to call on Archangel Michael, and he will never call you again. Mother was a little skeptical, but I did this simple prayer that you can also do. Archangel Michael, and then I named this man. Make sure that he never calls this phone, and I picked up the phone, and never comes on this property again. But Mother lived in a small little community with like 2 grocery stores, 2 gas stations, and a few little restaurants. So I said, and that we never run into him out in the community again. And folks, we never did. Over 4 months of helping my parents, we never once heard about him, saw him. The other thing that I invite you to do is that if you have family members or relationships that just aren't getting along, see the face of Jesus on their forehead. It just calms people down into their own sacred truth. So kindness, having peace within. We never want to give our joy away to chaos and negativity. You cannot heal and have peace within yourself when there's negative situations around. So I invite you to invite Archangel Michael to see the face of Jesus on people's forehead and just invite peace and calmness into your world. I wrote this book on how to believe in answered prayers. So it shares my journey with the angels. At first I was skeptical, and then all of a sudden it was like, oh my goodness, where have I been all my life? So they're like expensive employees just standing around, waiting for me to ask. And once I got that peace, so there's more angels on earth than there are people, and they're here to help us in any kind of situation. So I invite you not only to read my books, but to understand how our emotions are a language that show up in health issues sometimes, trying to redirect our lives. And that's what I specialize in. So please like this video, but also subscribe to my YouTube, and let's together help more people heal and invite Archangel Michael into our lives. Thank you. From my heart to yours, I bless you and your family. Go on my website. I have many services available for you. Contact me, georgieholbrook.com. You can go it alone, or else you can get a mentor and really thrive. Thank you.